Welcome back to Mvip, your one-stop source for everything on wheels, from the newest military beasts to the most refined luxury rides. If it's got an engine and a story, you'll find it here. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an update from the front line of automotive evolution. Today, we're diving into a machine that has earned its place in history and is now stepping into 2025 with updates that demand attention at the M48 Patton. That's right, the legendary American main battle tank that once roared through cold water rain is back in focus, this time with modern enhancements and surprising twists. But here's what's really got everyone talking: the price tag. Is the 2025 M48 Patton worth its new cost? Let's break it down. The original M48 Patton entered service back in the 1950s, designed to replace the M47 and serve as the backbone of U.S. armored forces. Over the decades, it saw extensive use in various countries and theaters of war, from Vietnam to the Middle East. Fast forward to 2025. And what we're seeing isn't just a vintage model, it's a modernized beast, rebuilt for contemporary warfare and urban defense scenarios. So, what's new in the 2025 version? For starters, the hull and turret have been upgraded with composite armor, giving it significantly better protection against kinetic and explosive threats. It's not just about slapping on more steel. This version uses lightweight ceramic composites that offer better defense without weighing it down too much. Under the hood, the old gasoline engine is gone. In its place is a turbocharged hybrid diesel-electric powertrain. This setup not only increases fuel efficiency but also allows for near-silent movement when running on battery mode. That's a huge tactical advantage in stealth operations. We're talking about 1,200 horsepower and an operational range of over 500 kilometers on a single tank. The firepower has also been reimagined. While still retaining its iconic 105mm main gun, this version can now fire smart munitions with laser guidance systems. You also get an automated fire control system with thermal imaging and digital target tracking, features you'd expect in 5th-generation tanks like the M1A2 SEP V3 or the Leopard 2A7. And yes, there's a drone integration module. The 2025 M48 Patton supports 2 reconnaissance drones that can be deployed on the move, giving real-time aerial surveillance data to the onboard AI system. That turns this tank from a ground-pounding brute into a mobile command center with a 360-degree battlefield view. Now, let's talk price, the part that's raising eyebrows and triggering debates. The 2025 M48 Patton, depending on the variant and optional systems, starts at an estimated $6.8 million per unit. If you're opting for the fully loaded combat-ready version with drone systems, reactive armor, and AI integration, that can climb close to $9 million. To put that in perspective, that's still cheaper than the latest Abrams variants, which can run over $11 million with full loadout. Countries looking to modernize their tank fleets without breaking the defense budget are seriously considering this updated pattern as a viable option. Who's buying it? So far, interest has come from several countries in Asia and the Middle East, particularly those already operating legacy Patton units. Instead of scrapping or mothballing them, many are opting to send their older tanks in for modernization kits, which are priced at around $2.5 million each. That's a smart move, less cost, less training required, and way more punch on the battlefield. What's even more interesting is the civilian market's fascination with this tank. Private collectors, museums, and even military simulation companies have shown interest in acquiring demilitarized versions of the 2025 Patton, especially the hybrid-powered models. While those versions would lack weapons systems, the fact that such a historic platform is being revived has made it a hot item in military enthusiast circles. So, Is the 2025 M48 Patton just a refurbished relic or a smart solution for modern warfare? It's both. It brings history into the future, with tech upgrades that genuinely enhance its battlefield role. For countries on a budget, it's a way to stay competitive without betting the bank on next-gen platforms. For enthusiasts, it's a symbol of enduring design made relevant again. That wraps up today's video on the 2025 M48 Patton. What do you think? Would you consider this as a smart military investment or just a nostalgic revival? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like, share, and of course, subscribe to Mvip for more content like this. Until next time, stay curious and stay tuned.